Make vegetable summer rolls. Vegetable summer rolls are light and tasty appetizers to start off a meal, or eaten for light lunches as a delicious dish. Summer rolls are made with rice paper wrappers and filled with various ingredients that make a very flavorful roll. They are also healthier than fried rolls since they do not use up oil to make. Vegetable summer rolls are easy to prepare and take up just a little bit of time when it comes to mastering the art of rolling up the fillings on the rice paper wrappers. Another great thing about them is that you can make your own variations according to the types of vegetables you like or those growing in your garden. The addition of Vietnamese fresh herbs is what gives your summer rolls that distinct Asian flavor. The health benefits coming from the vegetables need not be enumerated because everyone knows how rich they are in essential nutrients. Here's how to make some great summer rolls. Ingredients needed. For your vegetable summer rolls, you will need round 6 to 8 sheets of rice paper wrappers, 10 pieces of leaves from fresh lettuce or other Vietnamese greens, a few Vietnamese herbs, julep and fresh vegetables such as carrots, celery, bell peppers, and zucchini, and some warm water. You have the option of having raw vegetables for your veggies or cooking them all first. This is all up to you. Procedure. To start, fill a large bowl with warm water. Proceed to dip in your rice paper into the water one at a time quickly for about 3 seconds. Set your rice paper on your working table and allow a few minutes for them to soak up the water and become soft and easy to roll. Lay the filling ingredients at the end of your wrapper which is nearest to you, setting them by layers. Carefully pull out the end of your wrapper from your working table and roll it over your filling gently, rolling it away from you while tucking in the filling towards your direction to tighten up your roll. You can either keep their ends open or fold them up to close. You may also cut them in half for bite pieces. These vegetable rolls are great with a dip made from garlic and soy sauce to spice them up. Procedure for dip. Prepare 2 crushed garlic cloves, a piece of crushed chili, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, a tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 1/8 cup of water. Mix all of these ingredients together on your sauce bowl, making sure that your sugar has been completely dissolved in the liquid. Add in your chili slices for garnishing and to give it that added spice and serve along with your spring rolls. There are a lot of variations you can use for your vegetable summer rolls. You can come up with other types of veggies to add as your filling and prepare a variety of sauces that will complement them. Try your summer rolls with a delicious peanut sauce too, and you can come up with a completely different flavor.